Last video, we created player movement already. In this video, learn how to switch between animation walk and animation idle. Understand what is Euler angle. Rotate player left or right direction. Play animation jump. How to use transition between two animations. How to add animation running. Complete player movement with all animations. You can download this project free with link under video that you can open and practice this tutorial right away. Open it with Unity version 2021 or newer. In tutorial part 1, we created 3D character Mario with all animations that we need for this video. Let's add model that contains animations into our player controller. Drop your own 3D character into this variable. Next, open our script player controller. This is all script we made in video part 3. Go to player movement event to add animation walk and idle for character. Whenever press button D or A, player moves, animation walk is played. If no buttons are pressed, player will stop movement. Animation idle is played. Create scripts for these custom events. I will move them to the end of the graph. To play or switch to an animation, use Animator Play. Input this is object that has animator component, our Mario model. We added this Mario character into a variable of player controller already. Add Mario model to play its animations. State name is name of animation to play. Make sure you use exactly the name of animations in Animator. Do the same to play animation walk. Switching animations is easy, right? Press play to see how it works. When I press button moving, animation walk is playing. And animation idle will be played when player is stopped. Now, let's rotate character face to direction that player is moving to. Name this custom event is character rotation. There is many ways to do it. The easy way is set player's angle to moving direction. It will need an input of angle that you want player face rotate to. Simply we will add this angle value manually. Create another flow variable. Name it move angle. If button D is pressed, player move to right. In school, we are learned that angle 0 degree is right side, and angle 180 degree is left side. Let's add this move angle value into character rotation event. Now let's handle to rotate character to this angle value. Angle value will be added into this argument. I will put it into a flow variable again to remember it easier. There is one thing you need to understand here. When you added a new 3D character to Unity, default character face always head to Z-axis, like this, with rotation Y is 0. So, 90 degree is the right side. Why? It is different from what we learned about angle in our school. Because Unity used different angle, its name Euler Angle. Always remember Euler Angle is used in Unity. To rotate character using Euler Angle, use Set Euler Angles. Input this is object doing this event, our Mario model object. You can enter angles in X, Y, Z directions directly here. In Euler, right side, angle Y is 90 degree, and left side, angle Y is 270. But our input angle here, 0 or 180 degrees. You can fix it directly here, 90 and 270 degree, if you want to use Euler angles. Or add 90 to our normal angle values. Then add this Euler Angle Y value into our event. Press play. When player moves left and right, our character can rotate to the left-right direction too. The correct angle Y will be applied to our character. Open Project in Tutorial Part 3, you will have this folder. Or you can get it free with link under this video too. You can have many more choices to rotate 3D character. To rotate 3D character using normal angles, let's use this event. Copy it. If you have Visual Scripting Plus, it will be inside macro, no macro. All rotation events here. They are exactly the same. Just copy to use it. Back to our player controller script. Paste copied event here. Replace it with our new event. Input object is object doing this event, our Mario model. Then just add the normal angles here. That's it. When you move player with buttons, character is rotated to left-right directions correctly. Next, let's add animation jump when player is jumped. Open our script again. Then go to button jump event. Add new custom event for animation jump here. After button space is pressed, player jumps. Animation jump will be played. Move it next to our animation events. Use animator play to play animation jump. If you press play now, look like nothing happened. It played animation jump actually, but animation idle is played right after. Let's go back to animation idle event. Add a condition, animation idle is played, only if it's on ground. And one more thing, at ground check. After button jump, it will take some time for player jump and leave the ground. Then animation jump is played, only if player is on air. To resolve it, add some timer to wait for player on air, to play animation jump later. It should work now. Press play to try it. Animation jump works. But this animation is too long. We need to adjust its length. Let's open our animations folder. Select jump. If animation is so long and you want to play a part of it only, you can adjust this length for the part you want to play only. I will shorten this jump animation like this. Then click apply for the new jump animation. Press jump to see how it works. The jump works well, but it looks ugly now. You can choose another better jump animation from Mixamo as you like, or it will be fixed after you add animation falling. You can watch again tutorial part 1 to see how to create animation in Mixamo. Let's create animation falling, if you don't have it yet. I will select this one, then click download. Select FBX for Unity and without skin. Import new animation to our game. Select it, and in menu Rig, add Mario avatar to this animation. Then go to menu animation. Rename it to falling. Turn on loop time to loop animation. Change these options to fix the pivot to character feed. You can see how it works now. It works okay, but sometimes the feed is under the ground. We must fix it. Adjust the position Y offset to move it up to ground. Click apply after all. The animation falling is created. Add it to Mario Animator controller. Now the falling animation will be played right after animation jump ended. Right-click on Jump, make transition, then select Falling. You can see falling will be after jump now. Press play to see how it works. It look a lot better now. You can adjust the transition as you want. Just hold and move this blue area. Now it will wait to jump ended completely, then play falling. Adjust this area until you like most. The animation jump is good now. If you jump in place, it works well. But you keep walking and press jump, animation jump not be played. The reason is because animation walk is played in middle of the air. We need to stop it by adding a condition in animation walk event. Animation walk is played only if player is on ground. Press play to try it again. player can walk and jump at the same time now. Animation run is the last one we need to add into player movement. Create a new graph variable. Name is running, with type as Boolean. Now go to player run event. If button left shift is pressed, player's running, variable is running will be true. And if left shift is not pressed, variable is running will be false. At event animation walk, we will add some adjustment here. Animation walk is played only if player is not running. And animation run is played when player is running. Keep button left shift to run now. Now you know how to create a complete player movement with animations. If you have any questions, leave it a comment. Next tutorial, we will learn how to add camera with Cinemachine. See you in next video.